Hello vlog, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and today is the first day of Vlogmas. I believe I'm doing Vlogmas for y'all. I think so, but today's the first day, and I right now am getting ready to go to Michael's to get some Christmas ornaments, and then we also need to stop by ULTA because I need to grab a mixing pigment. But right now I'm trying to decipher which purse I want to wear. Do I want to wear my Telfar, or do I want to wear this cute brown one that I got in my BoxyCharm? I feel like the Telfar looks so much better, so I think we're just gonna go with that. But I wanted something where I could put my camera, and I definitely can't put nothing in here, y'all, but a few things. I'll definitely which one? We'll go with the Telfar because like it makes more sense. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to go. Jordan is already downstairs waiting. Oh, my shoes. I need to grab my rain shoes. We are going to ULTA and Michael's, and then we're gonna come and do some decorations. Look at
we came in here to get ornaments. We have a lot of Christmas decorations already, and we weren't gonna go crazy.
no. Oh, this Christmas stuff. We need another one of these for the staircase. Ooh, that one's cute. All the Christmas wreaths, 50% off.
Ornaments,
50% off.
lights,
Hey, we have lights.
random decor.
Santa's house. What's that this? Ooh.
This is a little DIY. You paint it.
Oh, paint this stuff.
It's a planter.
I like that. But we don't really have a plant unless we make one of those things. Like I was saying for the table, for the island, instead of having a flower bouquet, we could just do some of those things and put it in there and make it Christmas. I feel like we could get this off Amazon too. This is
It's way cheaper.
this is gonna go upstairs on that table.
Okay.
But this is $19.99, like you said.
30% off everything.
Oh, okay. That's not terrible. It's not terrible. Or do you want to do just like that one? Yeah, we don't have to do any extra stuff to it.
Kind of fits the vibes.
Yeah, that's cute. I can put that on my backdrop. So our colors are going to be silver and white. So we have a lot of silver and white stuff already. So that's why we're just picking little things so I can make it a little more cute. And we just need ornaments.
All Christmas decor by Ashland is 50% off.
Oh, so that's by Ashland. Oh, so then I should get those little trees and put those on my backdrop. Yeah. What if I just do these two? And because I'll put it instead of my vase that's there right now. I could put.
For your backdrop, for your video?
Uh-huh. What do you think?
I think you gotta go harder than that.
Yeah, it's too basic. I probably need something bigger than that too. What about this one? Or is this too, or that one? What do you think about this? That might be too tall, huh?
Yeah, it's too tall.
But that would be nice.
Very Christmas.
That's cute.
That should be the stick on the backdrop. It's big, it's bold.
Yeah.
It'll fit. There's another that's a white one that's a little bit more
The vibes.
vibe.
I think this is the same size as that one, actually.
Excuse me, white.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
There you go, boom.
Boom. Look at that tree.
The glass joint.
Yeah.
I'll break that.
Yeah, exactly. Before it even gets to the house, you'd break it.
No.
Here's the dog. Oh, is that Ashland up there? Those lights?
It's all this shit. All this shit's Ashland.
Those lights. And I could just put that behind me. So tall. Yeah. 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 I think that would be cute. And then, it's so quiet in here. Where the music at?
Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Oh, hell no.
You asked for some music.
Oh.
I like these ones.
All those icy ones down there. Those are cute. Okay, let's go to the next aisle. See what they have over here. Ooh. These are pretty. Simple, cute. Maybe there's only these kind of ornaments. You hear me? So maybe there's only these kind of ornaments. Oh look, they're gone. You just got these options. They got some white ones.
That's not enough.
No, it's not. They out, baby. So we closed. Christmas over. Oh, here's the stars. Stars in the toppers. How many is that? So I'm gonna lay them like just going across. Yeah, like that. And just kind of have them draped down or something like that, maybe. My man's so creative. Gets it from his mom. Shout outs, mom. They got flat ornaments. Yeah, is that the new thing? Flat ornaments. They call them disc. Maybe so you could put more on the tree? Mm-mm.
They're pouring glitter inside this bowl.
Yeah, they're fillable. Look.
Interesting.
Yeah. That's cool. Okay, I think we got what we need. I got this, y'all. I got all the cute stuff that we are looking for right here on the other side of the store. Why? Doesn't make sense. Oh, this one. This one looks cute. And there's this one that says Merry Christmas. But I think this is the one. 'Cause I need something that stands out. Oh, look at that one. That one's very cute. I think this is the one. Somebody eat these gingerbread flavored red vines.
That's like when I got you the little peppermint mocha pods.
Yeah, no. Those. The idea was nice. They did not taste good. So we got the decor. Went and got our lunch. We're gonna have some round table. Now we're gonna go to ULTA real quick to grab the makeup that I need. Jordan played this like 5 times in the shower. I thought he was trying to learn the dance or something. We're gonna learn the dance.
They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems.
We're at ULTA. We're going into ULTA. Okay, it's cool. I'll grab it myself. Okay. We're looking for the mixing. The blue mixing pigment. Don't know. It said they had it online. Oh wait, right here. Oh no, I think they might be out. Okay, so we found it. It's actually LA Girl, so I was tripping. Let's see. So it's buy 2, get 1 free, which I really don't need, but I mean, since we're here, I kind of like this. It's really cute. The good thing is LA Girl is so inexpensive that I don't mind. So let's get this. So we made it home. We are home. And we are going to go ahead. I'm gonna do this fun festive stuff. You guys will see it in the next vlog. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. This is Vlogmas. We got a lot of vlogs coming. See you guys in the next video. Peace. You're not gonna say bye?
Peace, vlog.